Happy Friday, everyone. Today I thought I'd talk around how to use equity in your home. Now, it's pretty much an open question, but to confirm exactly what equity you have in your home, the only way to do it is to get a sworn valuation from the specific lender that you're looking at borrowing from. So, what that means is if you get a real estate agent out to your house, unfortunately, that valuation or figure the agent appraiser gives you, you cannot lend against. It's only based on a bank sworn valuation. And the funny thing around that is we could require or could request a valuation with your current lender, but after we do the assessment, we might find there is a better lender or a cheaper lender or a lender that might be able to borrow further funds to build the property portfolio you're planning to. And unfortunately, we'd need to do another valuation with that new lender. And unfortunately, I've seen it happen too often where the same house gets valued by two different valuers and comes in two different prices. So it is very, very important that we do a full assessment first. Your advisor does a full assessment first, working out which lender and what structure is best for you in relation to what your plans are around using your equity, and then getting a bank sworn valuation with that particular lender. And then that's the only way you can exactly know what sort of equity you have available to achieve your plans in whatever that may be in relation to building a pool, buying another property, or even drawing out equity to invest. So there's a few options there, but the number one thing is to making sure that we get a bank sworn valuation with the lender that you're looking at borrowing with. Have a great weekend.